the first thing, measure of angle A. If you remember, it says right at the top, the sum of the angle measures of a triangle is 180. So that means angle A plus 75 plus 39 should equal 180. So here we get 114 equals 180 plus A. So then A should be 66 degrees. Okay? This is a good enough reason. You might also say that angles of a triangle have sum of 180 degrees. Okay? B, it makes a linear pair with A. Does everybody agree with that? So then we have 180 minus 66, which is actually the same as this part right here, 114 degrees. Okay? Angle C is a vertical angle with 75 degrees, so angle C is 75 degrees. Angle C plus angle D equals 180 because they are a linear pair. Does everybody agree with that? So then we have 180 minus 75 equals angle D, which gives you 105 degrees. How many people have them all correct so far? Alright, very good. Angle E is a vertical angle with D, so it equals 105 degrees because angle D is congruent to angle E by vertical angles. So, this shorthand like this is acceptable. You can write that for your reasons. That might cut down on how much you actually have to write. Does that make sense? So let's move on. Angle F is this angle up here. So we know that 95 plus angle C, which we already found is 75, plus angle F is 180. So that means 170 plus angle F is 180. So angle F is 10 degrees. The next is angle G, which is right here. It is a linear pair with this 95. That means that G is 85 degrees. Everybody following me so far? How many of you all found H by adding it up to 360? How many of you all didn't know how to find H? Okay, here's how you find H. You actually look, that's not showing up very well at all. You actually look at this triangle right here that many of you all probably didn't even notice was there. So we have 39 plus G, which we just found is 85, plus H, is 180. So we have 124 plus h is 180. Yeah, that's right. And I have h is 56 degrees. Yeah.
I found if I do in the whole triangle,
The big triangle? But then you had to have I and F before you could do that. Well, we haven't done I yet. I mean, you can do it like that, but I think my way is a lot easier. But that's fine too. Yours, you have to add this stuff together and this stuff together, which is a little bit more work. Yes? Oh, yeah, you could. You could use F and B as well. Okay. Any other questions about that? All right, our last one is I. Let me clean this back up a little bit so we can actually read it, assuming that my thing will actually start working. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I is in this triangle right here with 38, D, and I. So I'm just going to do my work up here. 38 plus D. D is 105. So that's 143. So 180 minus 143 is 37 degrees. So it is 37 degrees. And here's what I'm going to say. This symbol stands for sum. The sum of the angle measurements. I'm going to say that back the other way around. The measure of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So again, that funny thing right there means sum. Okay? Does anybody know what that symbol is? No, it's the Greek letter sigma. So, yeah. Okay, any questions? Yeah.
Is it okay if we wrote it out, not a lot, but a little bit?
Yeah, that's fine.
I didn't do angle F plus 75 plus 95. I just did 95 plus 75 and then subtracted that from 180.
Yeah, that's fine. Did you write that? Is that what your because was?
Yeah.
Yeah, then that would be okay. Any other questions? All right, good.